Israel flag, Turkey flag. Israel religion, Turkey religion. Israel president, Turkey president. Israel capital, Turkey capital. Israel total population, Turkey total population. Israel currency, Turkey currency. Israel global rank, Turkey global rank. Israel nuclear weapons, Turkey nuclear weapons. Israel defense budget, Turkey defense budget. Israel total army, Turkey total army. Israel active army, Turkey active army. Israel reserve army, Turkey reserve army. Israel combat tanks, Turkey combat tanks. Israel total armored vehicles, Turkey total armored vehicles. Israel infantry fighting vehicles, Turkey infantry fighting vehicles. Israel armored carrier, Turkey armored carrier. Israel self-propelled artillery, Turkey self-propelled artillery. Israel field artillery, Turkey field artillery. Israel rocket projector, Turkey rocket projector. Israel defense system, Turkey defense system. Israel Air Force, Turkish Air Force. Israel Air Force, Turkey Air Force. Israel total aircraft, Turkey total aircraft. Israel fighter jets, Turkey fighter jets. Israel attack aircraft, Turkey attack aircraft. Israel special mission, Turkey special mission. Israel 5th generation fighter jet, Turkey 5th generation fighter jet. Israel AWACS, Turkey AWACS. Israel trainer aircraft, Turkey trainer aircraft. Israel helicopters, Turkey helicopters. Israel attack helicopters, Turkey attack helicopters. Israel multi-role aircraft, Turkey multi-role aircraft. Israel transport aircraft, Turkey transport aircraft. Israel military drones, Turkey military drones. Israel Navy, Turkey Navy. Israel Navy Army, Turkey Navy Army. Israel destroyers, Turkey destroyers. Israel total Navy assets, Turkey total Navy assets. Israel aircraft carrier, Turkey aircraft carrier. Israel frigates, Turkey frigates. Israel cavity, Turkey cavity. Israel submarine, Turkey submarine. Israel patrol vessels, Turkey patrol vessels. Israel merchant marine, Turkey merchant marine. Israel airports, Turkey airports. This was Combat Compare, bringing you simplified knowledge on global military strength. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share. Thank you.